hunting today at my house in Owen County. A little rainstorm just came through. It's finishing up now. Its light's breaking, but it's done. Wind's light, so ought to give me some quiet walking going in anyway. I'm gonna go down over the hill and give it a go, and we'll see what happens.
How cool was that? Yes. I didn't think they'd ever come over here. Donnie's calling me now. Boy, I hope everything's on there. That was awesome. Donnie. At least four. And they were all within 150 yards of my house. I called them right down to the field there. A big turkey fight going on in the field over here. Finally, they got mad at me calling over here. I gobbled to them and they came around and seen my decoy. Right in at it. I shot him at about 10 yards. He ain't moved. Alright, I gotta go. I haven't even got out of the blind yet. Yeah, he's laying there flopping. That other bird's over in the field still. Watch. There's two more gobbled up by my house, and these two gobblers are right here. Alrighty, I'll see you later. Yes. I didn't think they'd ever come over here. Donnie's calling me now. Boy, I hope everything's on there. That was